Hey guys, and today, it is time for Google Slides. So I'm bringing you guys a tutorial video on how to use Google Slides. Let's get started, shall we? Let's start here with themes. So themes, you could have simple light, simple dark, streamline, all of these right here. And if you click one, you can have a theme. Pretty cool. But we're gonna leave it as simple light. Okay. Starting from this side, we have new slide or Control M. You can make a new slide. But if you go here, you could change the format. So we could do title and body, and then we can go slide or Control M. So we're gonna go like that, and we'll go title and body. It will, like that, change it, as you can see here. Right here we have undo, undo, redo, redo, undo, undo. So basically you could redo or undo, which is Control Y and Control Z. You could print, you just press this, and then you have to, connect your printer and everything. Then we have zoom, so you could zoom 200%, which is a lot, or you do zoom fit, which is back to normal. Right here is to switch back to your mouse, which is ESC. To delete your text box, you'll go like this and press backspace. You'll click the edge, press backspace. Let's try to make text box now. We can make one big, small, and one huge. Hello. Over here we could put super cool gamer gaming. So yeah, this is how to make text box. Then for images, you can upload it from your computer, which is, you just press this, and then you can go pictures, and then we could go San Gabriel, and we have all these pictures from when I went to a mission. It's pretty cool. And you'll just press one of those, and then we also have search the web, which if you press it, you could search for, I don't know, dogs. And a lot of dog pictures will come out. Pretty cool. Then we also here have drive, so you could upload it from your drive. As you can see, we have a lot of drive pictures. And then, we also have, you could upload it by photos, by URL, and camera. Cameras, you could take a picture. By URL, you just copy this thing right here. And then photos is, you go from Google Photos in my other tutorial video that you guys saw, probably. In shapes, we have all these shapes, so let's try a hexagon. You can make a hexagon, which is pretty cool. We also have arrows, so you could do this. It's pretty cool. And then once you press this, we could change the fill color, change the line color, and that arrow looks pretty cool. Right here we have lines, so the line is just straight line, and arrow is like an arrow line. The elbow connector is, you connect the elbows, and then the curved connector is like this. So you just go like that. But I bet the easiest one to make shapes of is just the curve, because you could go ooh, and ooh, and then ooh, and ooh. Infinity logo. So yeah, this is the easiest way to make a line. So we have the recycling logo. Not really, but anyways, so we have lines. To comment, we could say hi. And if you comment, then if you resolve it, it'll delete it. More options, you could edit it, like hi. Hi. And then you could reply, you could delete the comment, you could link to this comment, so put a link in it, and then delete. You could delete the comment or resolve it so that it never happened. With the background, you could change the color. And in the custom, we have, you can make your own color, and then we could change the transparency. Let's put the color, let's put this red. or you could choose an image on your computer, or by photos, or camera by URL, or Google Drive, or Google Image Search, which I already talked about, or reset the theme. Then we have theme, which I already talked about, and then transition. At transition, you can go like here and put dissolve, apply to all sides, and if you play it, it will dissolve. So then we can go present, and then if we go to the next slide, it will dissolve. That's pretty cool. Right here we also have share, so and right here you can name it. So let's name it tutorial video. And then you could share it to whoever you want. And then over here we have, you can see the history of people who've done it. Then over here, let's start from over here. We have files, so you could share it. You could open a new slide presentation. You can open a new one. You can import, so like right here is copy, which is select the slides or entire presentation. But import slides, you could like merge it, I think. But download, you could download it and then email as attachment. You can email it, make available offline. I don't know what that means. Version history, if you go see version history, then you could see what happens at the beginning. See, there was nothing, but then right now, there is. So you could look at the history right now. It's pretty cool. Oops, that's printing. We don't want to print right now. And then zoom and then the accessibility right there. But also, we also have a rename, so you can rename it tutorial vid. And I have caps on, so that's what it looks like. Let's go. Then if we go back and rename, we can move it to a different file. We can add a shortcut to the drive. You can move it to trash. You can publish it to the web. And then we also have document details, which is the location of the owner, of the modified, when it was created. So a lot of dates and stuff there. Then we have language, so you could change the language, how the page setup looks, the print settings and preview, and then the print. In edit, we have everything I already talked about, except we have cut, copy, paste, and paste without formatting. So cut is you could delete it, copy is that you could copy it, paste is that you could put it, and then paste without formatting is to not mess it up, I think. And then to select all is Control A, and then find and replace is Control H. At view, we have to present, so you could go to present from right there. You can motion it, so from the transition, you can make it master, which is like that. I personally don't like it like that. We also have a grid view, which looks pretty cool. Then, but let's keep it to normal. We also have zoom, so you could zoom it. I already explained that. Show ruler, so you don't have to show the ruler. And then, so yeah, we're not going to show the ruler. But guides, you could see the show guides and vertical guide, and so basically all the guides. Snap to, you could change it to grids. And then, but let's do guides. So then we're gonna go to show speaker notes, which is right here where you could type, and then full screen. But we don't want full screen right now. Insert, we can insert an image, we can insert a text box, we can insert audio, video, shape, table, chart, diagram, word, art, line, and special characters, animation, link, comment, new slide, and slide numbers. I basically already talked about all that. Format, you could change the format of the text, of the line and indent, the line spacing, bullets and numbering, table, clear formatting, borders and lines, format options, and the image of the format. So all of these things you could change the format of. For the slide, you could make a new slide. You could duplicate the slide. You could delete the slide. You could skip the slide. You can move the slide to, let's move it to second. And then we could change the background. I already already explained that. Then you can transition it, apply the layout, edit master, and change theme. We already talked about all of that. You could arrange the order, the align, the distribute, the center on page, the rotate, the group, and the ungroup. At tools, you could see the spelling. So you could spell check or you could underline errors. I like underline errors, that's why I have it on. And then explore, you could explore everything. And let's just see. You could explore the, some docs. And then we have linked objects, the dictionary, the Q&A history, so the question and answers, the voice types, speaker notes, the script editor, preferences, accessibility settings, and activity dashboard. On add-ons, you could get add-ons, manage add-ons, and then the Nearpod, which is open Nearpod, or help. Help, you could help, report abuse or copyright, just like if you need help. And accessibility is to speak, you could speak selection, you could basically change stuff. So, and one last thing. Let's say we put super cool gamer D gaming. Right here we will have the fill color, it could be blue. Let's do blue. The thing around it will be dark blue. It will be very dark. Change the color to like that. That looks pretty cool. The arrow will change to boogaloo. Oh wait, if we highlight that, we go boogaloo. We could change the fonts. Let's do 96, so now it's super low, but let's do 60. And then we can do a bold, we could make it slanted, we can underline it, but most importantly, we could change the color. Then you could highlight it to orange. Then you can add a comment, insert the link, and then you can, make the transition. A lot of stuff. This is the end of the Google Slides tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial video, guys. Bye, guys.